how to create a social media post from your Wix website. When you first come in here, come onto the left side in the menu. Under marketing, you're gonna see social media marketing. Click on that, it's gonna take you to the social media post dashboard. Click on create a new post. In there, if you haven't added your social medias already, you'll have to add your social media accounts. We've done that already, so we're gonna jump on in. Each one of these is gonna look fairly similar. You come in and click add media. We've uploaded these from the computer to the website. It has plenty of storage to get you going on social media. Make sure you select reel or post, whichever one you may want. And each section going down is going to be similar. Put the media in, put your caption description, post it. YouTube, LinkedIn, and Twitter. When you get them all set up, come in and click publish, and that is how you set up and create a social media post using your Wix website. Social media.